Okay guys, this car got wrapped 5 years ago with the Avery Pearl White. You can see the color a bit got fade, but the important things, look at, I just removing the film after the 5 years. Looks very fine, nothing happened. That's why we always recommended to go for the good brand, good material, and also good install. Look that. Paint is so clean, just need the clay bar, and then again ready to wrap. What's going on guys? Arash from Moto Gang. Today I'm going to show you, because many people when they calling me for pricing, asking do you have the cheaper price or do you work with the Chinese film. This is the reason I'm not working with the Chinese film. And also, who knew with the wrap, asking, oh, if I wrap my car, it's not going to damage my paint, or later when I want to remove it, nothing going to be happen, or how long it's gonna be last long on my car. About that part, you have to know what brand you're using. We recommended usually 3 to 4 years because much easier to remove. But if film, original film like Avery, TDM, Exis, Oracle, those film, it's never gonna damage your paint, never. I'm talking about only OEM paint, not repaint part. Repaint part is possible to take off the clear coat. So let's see. This car wrapped 5 years ago with the Avery Pearl White. So now I'm going to re-wrap it to wrap with the new color because color got old. So only things we need to the heat gun or use the steam, or if the weather hot, just leave the car outside and remove it. I already removed the bumper and hood, but you need to warm up well. Look at that, how the film easy came off. Let me start it from here. Now I will show you more close how the paints look like. Okay, look at here, I already removed the bumper, and then here the fender, I show you how I did remove. Look at the paint is very fine, nothing left, but if you touching it, you can feeling a bit rough, but this is because long time paint under the film, so it's not the big deal. Just need to be clay bar and then alcohol and make it ready for the new wrap. So I hope this video helped you guys and then knew better about the wrap. So let's go for change this beauty to the sexy color. After 14 hours work on this car, totally done, all clean it, got clever, and look at now is how it's soft. So ready to wrap. That killed me. That's looking good now. So I'm done for tonight. I need to go home, get some rest. See you tomorrow. guys, last project in Motogang Biontech done, ready to go. And then look at that, how it looks very nice. And then look at under the sun, it's very popped out. It's exactly like the melt gold, and you can see why quality. Look at all the corner. This area doesn't have any glue line or a stretch mark. Look at that. And side mirror we wrap it with the satin black, so it's having the really nice contrast with the energetic yellow. Look, look. Oh my goodness, that's sexy. First car in this shop was M4, and then last one is Porsche 911. Bye bye.